Alright, my good people, now welcome back again to Anointed Lady TV. I don't come your scream, I don't come your domot with another breaking news, with another legit intel on the things and things where they go on for inside we nation Nigeria. The cocoa now be say, some patients where they seek medical services for inside the University of Port Harcourt Teaching Hospital, Rivers State, they don't accuse the hospital of forcing them to buy food. They constantly express their concerns about power outage, and they constantly report about poor condition of the hospital, their toilet and bad water. But however, my good people, this hospital now don't come outside, can't dismiss the claims them. They don't come outside now, can't they yarn. Say all these accused no be true, all of them are wine. There is no truth in it. But according to some of the patients them, they say they were forced to pay for food and the one wey come pain them pass na the smell wey dey come from toilet. Say the odor worry no be small, and they no come get choice but to endure am. Many country people now come carry the matter go social media, they go complain on how the hospital, their service, e take worst reach. One countryman now wey been go the hospital, him now come dey describe the 6 months wey him mother spend for the hospital as one of the worst healthcare experience wey he don ever experience. This man now come dey tell the general public how the matter take play for the hospital for inside this im post, and according to how he take yarn am, good people, he say the first thing wey shock am for the hospital na the compulsory feeding. He say every patient was forced to eat hospital food. E no get anyhow wey want to escape that one, and this food wey the hospital dey share, e worse pass the food wey prisoners dey chop for inside prison, and the price of this food na 2,000 naira per day. Now you no understand why hospital go dey force patients to eat their food. Then another country person wey him too na patient for inside this hospital, he come dey give accolade to the hospital on their medical services. She now come dey yarn say some of their financial bills was needless. You understand? Say dem treat her well even when she dey for inside emergency. There was a swift response. The treatment was back to back. They just dey take care of her well. They no even ask her for money for surgery until they don't take care of her finish. But the thing shock her when the hospital can't give her food bill of 7,000 naira wey she know nothing about. And the thing sef can't even lead to arguments. He now come dey complain say he no chop their food, why they can't give am bill of 7,000. The hospital say na 7 days na him stay, so therefore he go pay feeding money of 7,000. So in order for the argument not to progress, just for peace to reign, the patient come gas to pay the 7,000 naira before they can allow her leave the hospital. This patient constantly complain about the water system of the hospital, and he constantly complain about the toilet facilities. Now make it no be as if na wine. Another country person wey dey go by the name Tony John, he constantly report about the hospital on Thursday. This man now come dey yarn say he lost his son for the hospital, but he still give accolade to the hospital sake of good standard of the hospital, but he come criticize some of their medical services. Oga John come dey yarn say the hospital staff spend over 3 hours before a file was opened for his son. This man constantly complain about dirtiness and bad water for inside the hospital. He constantly complain about poor electricity. He said that was a very serious issue at the ICU. And he say on the day when his son bear RIP, he buy 10 liters of fuel give the hospital. Now, even as all these levels they happen for inside social media, even as country people they complain on how things bad reach, the acting public relations officer of the hospital, he now don't come outside and deny all the claims of the patients and others them. They yarn so all those things where they yarn, so all those accused, they are not true, they are not correct. Say now wine. Say the hospital no experience anything like power outages, so just as the emergency areas, they never shut them down for 1 day. And most times people now they base their reports on social media. Then about the matter of say the hospital they force the patients to dey buy food, he come dey yarn now say he get some inpatient feeding for every patient wey dey admitted for diabetes, and the food wey the hospital dey give the diabetes patients, e dey go with treatment. As for the cost of the food, he no know how much wey the food be, but every hospital get their own policy, and this one na their own policy. And since na their policy, they gats follow, they gats concur. All the levels wey they do now na for the sake of treatment, and people have to eat certain things. But no matter the matter, the hospital will conduct an investigation, and if they find out say some of these accused na legit, then a decision will be taken, because last they are dealing with life. and life no be something you go market say you wan go buy. And the management dey value the life of every patient. They dey value the life of any countryman wey come inside the hospital. So all this level, my good people, na the things and things wey the acting public relations officer of the hospital bin yarn about the matter. And make I sharply remind you say this hospital wey we dey talk about so na the University of Port Harcourt Teaching Hospital, Rivers State. Anyhow this matter be for body, my good people, feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. I still get another legit intel wey I wan share give the general public. The koko be say the Edo State governor wey be Monday Okpebholo, he don approve automatic employment for first class graduates from any Nigerian or foreign university into the Edo State Civil and Public Service. This na as part of the efforts to enhance the quality of manpower in the system. One countryman wey dey go by the name Anthony Okongbowa, he na the state head of service. Na dey make this announcement so for inside one statement wey he release on Friday. And for inside the statement, he come dey explain say the graduate development program e dey aim to integrate top quality talents into the system for effective and efficient service delivery. Oga Anthony come dey yarn say the current governor of Edo State wey be Monday Okpebholo, he don approve this initiative to motivate workers and encourage them to give their best. The graduate development program now is very much designed to bring together first class graduates and those people now with high grade degrees, make them for develop and make them for enhance the quality of manpower within the service. And he constantly explain say Oga Monday Okpebholo wey be governor of Edo State is very much committed to bringing first class graduates into the Edo State Civil and Public Service, and he dey believe very well say this policy e go help the state stay attract top talent, and not just about bringing them in, it's also about retaining them, keeping them, which is one of the major challenges wey some kind programs dey face currently. Like this now, my good people, the governor dey call on all first class graduates of Edo origin from all universities, both the ones wey dey for our nation Nigeria and the ones wey dey for abroad. So make dem come take advantage of this opportunity. Make dem come take advantage of this automatic employment. This my good people na the informate wey I wan share give the general public. Anyhow the thing be you for body, feel free make you drop am inside our comment section. Now we be Anointed Lady TV. Now we dey give una legit intel on the things and things wey dey go on for inside we nation Nigeria. So if you like this update and you would like to receive more, try make you subscribe to this channel and try make you put on the notification bell so that as we dey bring the news dey come, now you go first receive the update and you go even get them sharp. I dey come your side again with another legit intel for you, my good people. Abeg, no go anywhere.